In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer taillights on this Volkswagen GTI. Let's get into it. On the inside, we're going to grab this trim panel, just pull it straight outwards. There's a couple clips holding it in. Just pop it out. There's a clip there and a clip there. You may find a push pin right here holding this carpet in. You're going to pop that off. This vehicle doesn't have it. And then fold this back out of the way. You can access the back of the light. You can disconnect the connector. There's just two tabs you want to push in. Slide the connector out. There, just on the sides, just push those in. And there's a wing nut. You loosen up that wing nut. And slide that out. Just grab the light assembly. You just want to pull it towards the back of the vehicle. It comes right out. You can take the board off with the light bulbs. Just slide these little connectors out, these little retainers. And for the bottom one, I'll just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pry that back a little bit. And it slides right out. There is a gasket here. You want to make sure the gasket goes back on. To replace the bulb, just grab the bulb, slide it out. This bulb is a 921. Slide that in, line that up. The other bulb, same thing, just grab it, pull it out. This bulb is a Y356 amber bulb. Line that up, push it in. Now take the light board, I'll slide it in. Just lock it in place. That's good. You can slide this right back on the vehicle. Push it in. Now take the wing nut on the inside. We'll get that started. And tighten that down. Just snug. It doesn't have to be too tight. The spring's going to hold the tension. That's good. And take the connector, line the connector up. Lock it down. Then take the carpet. Just line this back up. And if you had a push pin in there, you want to push that back in. Line the trim up. And just push that back in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.